Guys? Oh my god! But the only downside is the filament isn't coming out. There's filament in it, it's through it, and I don't know why it's not coming out. I wonder. I'm not sure. Okay, so the last time I attempted to 3D print this, obviously the filament wasn't coming through, but the way I laid out the badge, the support beams were just messing up the lettering. Like it was, oh man, it did not look good. So I tilted the badge on its side, so hopefully it doesn't look too bad seeing it here. Having the support on the back of it like that would allow me to put it on a flat surface, so it makes sense. Guys, this is freaking frustrating. I cannot seem to get it to feed through. Oh, wait a minute. Look, right, I push it through there, and boom. It is not going through, and I don't know why it's not going through. Come on, baby. Come on. Okay then guys, so I tried to reach out on Reddit for help with my 3D printer. Nobody replied. Struggled to find videos to explain in a clear way what my problem is, and well, one of the groups that I've joined on Discord, somebody helped me out. Now I have discovered that this printer has one part that I need. For that part helps feed the filament through the extruder and down to the nozzle. So thanks to the person who helped me out. I was honestly so struggling. Nobody talks about this side of 3D printing, the problems that you encounter, and I'm new to it. I'm learning the hard way. So yeah, thank you so much for taking your time to help me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to search for that part. Okay then guys, so that done a lot better this time. Woohoo! Well, slightly better, ignoring this area right here, and this corner, but apart from that, it done amazing. I'm gonna continue working on this, guys, till I get it perfect. I will let you know, but in the meantime, I'll see you in the next one.